Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you through a complete step-by-step process to transfer your bookmarks from Google Chrome to Firefox. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Firstly, you need to open your Google Chrome, then click on the three dots option right over here. Then click on Extensions and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you are on the web store, search for an application or plugin called EverSync. Simply search for that. This is the plugin as you can see now. Add this plugin into your Chrome, then click on Add Extension. Now wait for a few seconds. Once it is signed in, go to the plugin. Click on the plugin option and just look for EverSync, and if you want, also pin the plugin. Now click on this option, then click on Register. Here you can quickly create an account or simply use your Google account. It is totally up to you. Once you have signed in, look for the plugin right over here. Go to the plugin and click on EverSync, then simply click on Start Synchronizing. This will sync all your bookmarks as you can see right over here. Once that is done, the web browser page will appear in front of you. In this page, click on Upload and then click on OK. Now just wait for a few more seconds as it will take some time to upload all your bookmarks. Once the part is completed, you can close this window, completely close Google Chrome, and open Firefox. Now you have to do the same process in Firefox. Go to the extension, then to the add-ons. In add-ons, go to extensions, and over here search for EverSync. Download the first option, click on that, and click on Add to Firefox. Now click on Add, and once the extension is added, click on OK, then pin the extension directly over here by clicking on Pin to Toolbar. Now you can close all the windows, and if you go to the bookmark bar, there are currently no bookmarks in Firefox, so let's import all the bookmarks from Chrome. Click on the sync option, then click on login and log in using the same email address and password that you used while registering. Once you are logged in, wait for a few seconds and you are now logged in. Go to the bookmark section, and in this section, click on Merge. You can also download the data, but the best and safest option is Merge. Click on that and wait for a few more seconds, then close the option. Now if you go back to the bookmarks section and click on Bookmarks, you can see all the bookmarks have been transferred from Google Chrome to Firefox. You can also enable the auto sync option, which will sync all your bookmarks between Chrome and Firefox, and any changes will reflect on the other browser as well. So that's it. You have a smooth, automated way to sync your bookmarks between Chrome and Firefox. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.